morning student. This is Preeti More and I welcome you all today's YouTube video. Today we are going to start our unit 8 past tense. So this tense is also, tenses are very important in the grammar while we speak. That time also for making the sentence we use tenses, and for writing in the exam, for writing the essay and letter or describing some things, every time we need tenses in English language. So here in this unit we are going to see the past tense. We are going to see the past tense. First we'll see the simple past tense. When we use the simple past tense, so we use the simple past tense to talk about action completed in the past. हम सिंपल पास्ट का यूज़ तब करते हैं जब हमको कुछ सेंटेंस बोलना रहा जो कल या बिफोर वन डे और बिफोर वन वीक द एक्शन इज completed that time, and the same action if we have to say right now, that time we use simple past tense. Where we use simple past tense to talk about action completed in the past. जो एक्शन हमारी पास में कंप्लीट हो चुकी है उसको बताने के लिए हम सिंपल पास्ट का यूज़ करते हैं. एंड व्हाट इज़ द फॉर्मूला ऑफ सिंपल पास्ट? द फॉर्मूला इज सब्जेक्ट प्लस V2 प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट. वी यूज द सेकंड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब for making the simple past tense. We use the second form of the verb, and while making the negative, this is the positive structure, subject plus V2 plus object, and for making the negative sentence in simple past we use subject plus did not plus V1 plus object, because here we are using did not, so did plus always V1. If we remove did not from there, the structure will be like this, and if we are adding did not or did, so the structure will be like this. For making the negative sentence of simple past we have to use this formula, and for making the positive sentence of simple past we have to use this formula. So let's see some examples. I just take the example by my own. I saw movie last night. मैंने कल रात को मूवी देखी. That means my watching action is completed. So I just write here watched. I watched movie last night. So what I used here, this is the subject, this is V2 and this is the object, and the other words which we use to complete the sentence is called the complements. So I watched movie, this is my positive sentence, subject plus V2 plus object, and this is the sentence of simple past. Now if I have to make the same sentence in negative, so what I add here, I did not watch, V2 became V1, watch movie last night. I did not watch movie last night. This is the negative sentence and this is the positive sentence. Now let's see another example. She gave a book. She gave a book. उसने book दिया. Gave means देना, give, gave, given. So this is the V2, this is the object and this is the subject. She gave a book सो दिस इज द पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस. उसने बुक दिया, उसने बुक नहीं दिया. शी डिड नॉट, शी डिड नॉट गिव अ बुक. When we make the negative sentence of the simple past, we add did not plus V1. So उसने book नहीं दिया. She did not give a book. Now the third example I write here. He studied hard for exam. उसने एग्ज़ाम के लिए हार्ड स्टडी की. सो दिस इज द सब्जेक्ट एंड दिस इज द V2 and these are the complement. So if I have to make this sentence negative, so what I add here, I take he did not studied become study. He did not study hard for exam. He did not study hard for exam. So these are, we have seen the simple past tense. We use simple past tense to talk about the action completed, to talk about action completed in the past. And the formula of simple past, subject plus V2 plus object. We use the second form of the verb to make the simple past sentence. So this is, I watched movie, this is the V2 last night. And the negative of this sentence is I did not watch movie last night. We add this all the words in this formula for making the negative sentence. She gave a book. She did not give a book. He studied hard for exam. He did not study hard for exam. If we add did not, so V2 become V1. So you just note down this all in your notebook. Now I hope student you have written this. Now I rub and let's see the interrogative form of the simple past. Negative and positive sentences we have seen right now. Now let's make the interrogative sentences of simple past. So what was our example? The first example of our, now we are seeing the interrogative. Interrogative means questions. So the first sentence was, I watched movie last night. This is the affirmative. This is affirmative sentence. Now we have to make the interrogative sentence of the given sentence. So what we have to use for making the interrogative? We have to use did. Did I watch movie last night? Question mark. If we are making the interrogative sentence, that means we are making the question. So at the end we have to add the question mark. Did I watch movie last night? I watched movie last night. मैंने रात को मूवी देखी. मैंने रात को मूवी देखी क्या? So did is, we have to take first did, and when we use did in the sentence, that time V2 become V1. Now which was the another example I take? They planted more trees. Now again we have to make the interrogative sentence. Did they planted become plant more trees? Question mark. Now the third one, she saw a lion. She saw a lion. This is the affirmative sentence, that means the positive sentence. Let's make an interrogative. Did she see a lion? Question mark. Now again the fourth example I take. I met to my friend. I met to my friend. So let's make the interrogative. Did I meet? Made become meet. Did I meet to my friend? And the question mark. So what is the formula? After watching this all the sentence, we just got the formula of interrogative sentence is did plus subject plus V1 plus object. This is the formula of interrogative sentence of simple past. So you just note down this all the examples in your notebook. So the focus exercise A is your homework and practice exercise we are doing right now. The sentences are given there in the practice exercise. We have to convert the sentences. Some sentences are to convert in the interrogative, some to convert in negative. Now what instruction is there? Convert these sentences in the instructed in the bracket. Make sure that the tense does not change. Now which one? The first sentence. The first one, we did not watch the play last night. We did not watch the play last night. We have to make it interrogative. Interrogative means we have to make a question of this sentence. So what will be the answer? We did not watch the play last night. Didn't we watch? Did not we watch the play last night? So the answer is, didn't we watch the play last night? Now the second is, I found the bakery. I found the bakery you were telling me about. We have to make it negative. So, I did not find, found become find because did not be used here. I did not find the bakery. You were telling me about. For making negative we use did not, and for making the question interrogative we take did not first. They ran towards the door. They ran towards the door. Interrogative. So the answer is, did they run? Did they run towards the door? And question mark. Now the fourth one is there. We made it interrogative. Did they run towards the door? The man survived 14 months at sea. The man survived 14 months at sea. We have to make it negative, interrogative. Negative, interrogative. So the answer will be, didn't the man survive Didn't the man survive 14 months at sea? This become negative also and interrogative also. The fifth one, did you call me? We have to make it affirmative, means positive. So answer is, you called me. You called me. We made this affirmative sentence. Affirmative, sorry. So here we have completed the practice exercise and focus is your homework, right? So here we have converted the sentences as instructed in the bracket. In the first sentence we made the interrogative, second sentence we made negative, third one interrogative, fourth one negative interrogative, and fifth one affirmative. So here we have completed simple past tense and practice exercise 1. Even we have learned about how to make the positive affirmative sentence, negative and interrogative sentence of simple past. Now in the next video we will see the past continuous tense, and focus exercise A is your homework. Homework is focus exercise. Focus in. This is your homework. So we'll meet soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care and thank you.